Hi, my name is Alex Moss. This is
I'm
Gary. Our final project for the EC4760 microcontrollers class was a temperature-controlled cooker. This was originally a rice cooker that we modified to add a microcontroller to allow for temperature feedback, and we also incorporated a timer into there. Basically what this allows you to do is to cook things at a very precise temperature. So we've tested our cooker ranging from 45 degrees Celsius all the way up to 100 degrees Celsius. So you can adjust the temperature according to what is desired using either the analog knobs that make up the face of the project, or you can actually, it's programmable from the UART interface using a standard PC.
I see. So you can do it either through command interaction, so you could automate it if you want.
Exactly.
Yeah.
We have actually a command in there in which what you do is you just type in eggs, and it automatically presets everything that you need to do, and it will automatically pick it up to the right temperature, let you know when you should put the egg in, and then count down the timer, and then tell you when you should take the egg out.
All right, and the control circuitry is a microcontroller over here on this board,
Right.
and a beeper, and then the high voltage and the solid state relays and the high voltage controls for the heater are all in the box, right? So it's safe and reproducible with an override switch. And so in the best Julia Child fashion, you've pre-cooked an egg here, right? For testing.
Yeah,
is it 65 degrees?
We've actually attempted to cook an egg at a specific temperature, 65 degrees Celsius, in which we hope that the egg white itself will cook, but the egg yolk will remain extremely runny. And this is to show that if you cook something at a particular temperature, you should be able to based on the different chemical compounds of the food that you're cooking, you can cook different parts of your food in different ways.
Interesting.
So we're just going to do a quick demo.
Does it help?
Oh, that's no.
And so let's see if it worked.
So we'll see if it works.
So you can see the albumin over here is starting to thicken up,
But
but the rest of the yolk is completely runny.
So the white is mostly cooked, and the yolk is completely uncooked.
Right.
Exactly.
Very cool.
This was done at 65 degrees Celsius for only around 6 minutes. Based on the documentations that we found online, people actually recommend that you keep it at this temperature for almost 75 minutes. So this was just a quick demo of how this is actually possible.
Okay, now turn this thing up to 100.
Okay. So now we're going to do what is called the 6-minute egg. It's basically a recipe for making the perfect soft-boiled egg. So basically what's going to happen is we're going to set the temperature to boiling, and then we're going to put in the egg once the temperature has reached boiling, and then it will cook for exactly 6 minutes, and then we will remove the egg. And at that point, we should get a perfect soft-boiled egg with a slightly runny center. So to adjust the temperature is the middle knob. We're going to adjust it actually to 95 degrees to allow for carryover cooking.
You turned it all the way.
Did I turn it all the way? Oh. Alright. What the heck? What's going on? It's a little bit of a tricky touch.
95 degrees.
And then we're going to set it for 6 minutes. So this is the minute adjuster. So 6 minutes exactly and 0 seconds.
It actually doesn't start counting down until it's reached the target temperature.
Okay, so let's go back and look at the temperature.
So I'm going to start the timer.
Oh,
Let's
yeah,
start
okay.
the timer.
No, I mean, we're going to start cooking.
And so this will show you the target temperature. I can set it to show you the current temperature. It's around to 64 degrees Celsius, and it's already going up.
Or you can see the timing amount that you want it to cook at after it's hit that temperature.
I see, but it doesn't start cooking actually, so it's smart enough. It waits until it's at the right temperature and then starts
counting down.
timing
yes.
down. Does it give you a beep when it's ready to
Yes,
put the egg
so
in?
once it hits the desired temperature, it beeps, and it gives you around
Half a second.
Half a second to place whatever food you want to put into the cooker, and then it will start counting down from there. And then once that happens, it will beep again, and not stop beeping until you turn it off and remove the food from the cooker.
Okay, so let's continue this after it's warmed up.
Yep.